Folks, today I'm going to teach you guys how to draw a common internal tangent to two equal circles. So the first stage is to draw the centers A and B. So you join the centers A and B of the two circles. So now this is the center of the first circle, let's call it A. And this is the center of the second circle, let's call it B. So what we have to do is to join the centers A and B. So I'll use the construction line for that, to join the centers A and B. Join A to B. Now the next stage is to bisect AB to give a point C. Let's bisect AB to give a point C. So this is how to bisect a line. This is the procedure. Open to more than half of the length, cut upward and downward. Just cut an arc upward and downward, so then you intersect that arc at the bottom and top. Then we'll draw a line through the intersector, so the upward and downward intersectors. So at the end of the day, we'll have the bisector of AB. The next stage, the third step, is to construct a semicircle AC, cutting the circles at D. So now this semicircle will pass at this C. So this C, let's call the center of this bisector C. So we'll construct a semicircle on this AC, and it will cut the circle at D. So let's construct a semicircle. So the next thing is still to bisect this line AC. So still the same procedure. Up, cut down. Then you intersect that bisector. Intersect the bisector upwards and downwards. So then we'll have this center of the line, and this center will be the center of the semicircle. So let me draw a semicircle on this point. So we have a semicircle here. Now you can see that this semicircle touches this circle at a point. Let's call this D. So this is D. Now with center C and radius CD, draw an arc cutting the second circle at E. So I open with center C and radius CD. You draw, so you can see that it is radius CD now. You draw an arc cutting the second circle at E. So now because this is an internal tangent, we'll use the bottom side. So but if we cut the top, it won't be satisfy our condition. So let's cut the bottom. So for internal tangent, it always goes like a diagonal. So but the external tangent always goes like vertical or horizontal. Now the next stage is to draw a line through D and E. So this is where it cuts at E. So let's draw a line through DE. So this line through DE will be the internal tangent. So this is it. You can also extend the tangent outwards if you prefer. It's often better like that. So this is how to draw a common internal tangent to two equal circles. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.